William's 100th Day of School by Lisa Bullard, illustrated by Mike Byrne. Chapter 1, 99 Days and Counting. I can't wait for tomorrow. We're having a big parade for the 100th day of school, and I'm bringing something special for show and tell. Actually, I'm bringing 100 somethings. The 100th day is a celebration just for schools, since the celebration is all about school days. Holidays and weekends aren't counted. On the first day of school, my teacher, Mr. Zimmer, wrote a 1 on the calendar. Friday was day 99. Tomorrow is day 100. We'll be 100 days smarter than we were on the first day of school. Schools begin on different days, so each school has a different 100th day. Chapter 2. The 100th day of school. The 100th day of school is finally here, and it's time for show and tell. Emma has 100 googly eyes. No one is surprised by George's box of 100 purple things. Looks like George is a fan of purple. Purple is his favorite color. We compare our items. My 100 marbles are a lot heavier than Abby's 100 cotton balls. We practice skip counting by twos. 2, 4, 6. Skip counting is a way to count more than one number at a time. Then we skip count by tens. 10, 20, 30. Counting by tens is a shortcut to get to 100. Chapter 3. 100 all through the day. In gym, we do 10 exercises, 10 times each, which equals 100 times. Then we practice marching for the 100th day parade. Back in class, our small groups write 100 words we've learned this year on big parade banners. Give your friend a high five. Hold the door open for someone. Say something nice to a friend. We all work together to think of 100 ways to be kind. My crown is used for the parade too. I used 99 sunflower seeds to spell my name, William. I started with 100 seeds, but then I thought of one more way to be kind. Chapter 4, Day 101? The parade ends our big day. Bring! The bell tells us the 100th day is finished. At first, I'm sad. But then I think, tomorrow, we can celebrate day 101. Students still have many more days of school after the 100th day. Whoops. So take a look at this picture if you'd like to do this. You're more than welcome to. What would life be like on your 100th birthday? Oh, it's hard to know for sure, but it's fun to imagine. You could make a picture of your 100th birthday cake, or make a picture of what you would look like when you turned 100. Happy 100th day of school.